It's not insecure, bro. Just because I don't want you doing shit, don't try to flip that on me and call that insecure, bro. Because all it is respect, bro. Bro, you gotta get you a female that respect, bro, that respect you as a man, bro. I would rather have somebody that respect me than to love me, because if somebody respects you, it's certain shit that they won't do. I'm gonna give y'all a perfect example. A woman to tell you, if you can't handle a bad bitch, don't date one. In reality, all the nigga wanted was for your ass not to be all the way out. Your ass cheeks not to be all the way out. That's it. And if somebody that respects you know that what they doing is hurting you, somebody that respects you wouldn't continue to do that. Respect will stop a person from doing certain activities, even if it's normal to them. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't want to disrespect you, because it's common sense. Respect is common sense.
Love may start a relationship, but respect keeps it strong.